Why can't I send pictures on Messenger? Here are some possible reasons why you can't send pictures on messengers and how to fix it. The first one is weak or no internet connection. Drag down the control center from the top right corner of your screen and make sure that you are connected to a stable Wi Fi network. If not, you can also try switching between Wi Fi and mobile data. Or you can restart your router and try loading a website or video to check your internet speed. Now, from the home screen, look for the App Store for iOS and Google Play Store for Android and simply tap on it. Once inside there, in the search address bar, all you have to do is type down the messenger and hit enter. Now tap on the messenger app, and if you see the update option available right next to it, tap on the update and update it to the latest version. Once updated, go back to the home screen. For Android, go to the settings and clear the cache or data corrupted in Messenger. But for iOS, go to the settings app and tap on the general. Since iOS does not have an official way to clear cache, follow this method. Tap on the iPhone storage, scroll down and look for the Messenger from the listed app and tap on it. Then tap on the Offload app and reinstall the Messenger app on a device. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe. And thank you so much for watching.